This video I'll tell you how you can enable camera in Google Chrome. Simply click on three dots and scroll down and go to settings. And right here on the left hand side you can see privacy and security. Go there and scroll down. And right here you can see site settings. Go there and go to camera. And right here make sure it is selected sites can ask to use your camera. And also right here you can see the list of the website who are accessing your camera. Right now there are no website which are using my camera. After that what you have to do, go to new tab and go to the website where you want to use your camera. Let's say I want to use my camera on Discord. Go to the website where you want to use your camera and after that click on these two lines. Then go to site settings and from here you can give permission to your camera. Click on allow and the permission will be granted. And if you have to make sure, you can go back to your settings and right here you can see I have granted permission to discord.com. So that's how you can easily enable camera in Google Chrome. So that's it for this video. If this video helped, subscribe.